al-Bukhari 3251, narrated Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there is a tree in paradise which is so big and huge that if a rider travel in its shade for 100 years, he would not be able to cross it. Sahih al-Bukhari 3252, 3253, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there is a tree in paradise which is so big and huge that a rider could travel in its shade for 100 years, and if you wish you can recite in shade long extended 56.30 and a place in paradise equal to an arrow bow of one of you is better than the whole earth on which the sun rises and sets. Al-Bukhari 3254, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, the first batch of people who will enter paradise will be glittering like the full moon, and the batch next to them will be glittering like the most brilliant star in the sky. Their hearts will be as if the hearts of a single man, for they will have neither enmity nor jealousy amongst themselves. Everyone will have two views from the houris, who will be so beautiful, pure and transparent that the marrow of the bones of their legs will be seen through the bones and the flesh. Sahih al-Bukhari 3255, narrated Al-Bara bin Azib radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, after the death of his son Ibrahim alayhi salam, said, there is a wet nurse for him, i.e. Ibrahim, in paradise. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.